Hi everyone, Mike here with Montessori-wiki.com. Today we're doing a review of some of these wooden puzzles that we ordered from Amazon recently. It was a really good deal. I forget what the price is, but the link is in the description below. This actually comes with 6 puzzles, which is great. The box, the packaging looks really good as well too. A couple of things I noticed that, I'm not sure if this is a big deal or not, but here we have a label that says from 12 months and above. And in the back here, there's another warning though, that mentions some small parts and not for children under 3. So we'll unbox this, take a look at it, and see what the size of these are and see which one is more accurate. So let's go ahead and open it up. Maybe this part can be like fast, you know? So first thing we notice here is a nice kind of cloth here. Looks like really good quality if it's kind of coming in like this. So outside of the box, this is probably a great bag you can probably use for other things as well. So far, pretty impressed with the packaging and the presentation here, so let's take a look at the rest. So I mentioned there's 6 here. Each one comes individually wrapped here in its own kind of plastic container. So first one here is a car, total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces. We also have a butterfly, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pieces as well. A ladybug here, 1, 2, 3, 4 pieces on this one. So this one might be a little bit simpler if you have a younger child. A bee with 1, 2, 3, 4 as well. This turtle, which has a total of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 pieces. So this might be a little bit advanced, even though the pattern is pretty straightforward. And last but not least, a teddy bear here. So let's go ahead and start opening some of these up and kind of see the quality of the material. So again, nice material. This is really nice, high quality wood. It's pretty light. Might be like a balsa or something like that. And you have the outline here as well for the individual items. So let's see about putting one of these together. So what I don't see is a reference that tells you how it's supposed to look. That would probably be helpful for little ones. Again, we can always just kind of go back to the box and see them on here. But even for myself, I kind of had to jiggle around where this goes. There we go. That wasn't too hard at all. And I think we'll probably use the bag depending on how we want to arrange this. We can probably just put them all back in here, or I think they're nice enough to probably have on display. What's been really good for us is also rotating these. So we'll probably leave 2 of these out and then switch them out every week or so. Let's take a look at the bee here. So again, the bee, a little bit straightforward here as far as just having 4 pieces. The pieces aren't double-sided, so you know the ones with the pattern on them are the ones that go facing forward here. So some of this I feel like, depending on the age of your child, it might be a little bit frustrating trying to get some of these in, but definitely something they might need some help, at least at first, with some adults. This is the ladybug again. Try and center that for you. Similar concept. Again, this is kind of one that, after doing it a couple times, you probably get the hang of it. Yeah, I don't know if, I think at least 2 years and older is probably a good place to start this. Definitely not under 1 year, and probably not even 18 months. Here's the butterfly. Go. And this gives you a good perspective as far as the size of it. So an adult hand can probably cover about the whole thing of this here. And then just 2 more here. The car, I won't take it completely apart, but again, same quality, same kind of concept here. And finally the turtle here with the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 pieces. So what I think we'll do is just add another little segment to this of introducing this to our toddler. He just turned 2. I'll be interested to see how he reacts with this and how he interacts with it. Coming up.